What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to Get Fat Food. Ron here, and today we're gonna eat some Dunkin Donuts. And I got a couple of breakfast items here, and I've got my cup of coffee as well. So cheers to that. Let's get it started. Remember, this is Get Fat Food, where we eat like pigs. Just a little bit of class. And let's see. So, the first thing I got here is, this was called a turkey sausage power sandwich. Unfortunately, they didn't have the right bun, so I did tell them to just go ahead and give me a regular plain bagel as a bun instead. I think they use the everything bagel. I have two of these, excuse me, these are wraps. Sausage, egg, and cheese wraps. I'll show you how that looks. Kind of looks like a taco. Anywho, so this, you can see that it's supposed to have veggie, egg white, white cheddar cheese, turkey, and sausage. So it's like vegan egg whites? I don't know. Does that look fake to you? It tastes okay. Now, including this and the wrap, I've also got some donuts. I mean, how are you gonna go to a donut place and not order donuts? Here are the two donuts that are for me. One Boston cream and one blueberry donut. The other four were for the family. They didn't want to be in the video, so I guess it's just me and you. Not bad. I don't know, the egg tastes kind of weird because there's all kinds of crap in it. It's like there's greens, tomatoes. Not sure if this is vegetarian egg whites or like vegan. I mean, they put it together with a sausage patty and turkey anyway, so not very vegetarian. I heard not too long ago that Dunkin Donuts was just going to change their name to just Dunkin. Why? It doesn't make sense. You know? Also, I ordered a bed tray. So I noticed, been doing my research, I've been watching some of y'all mukbangers on YouTube. I noticed y'all use like a bed tray on top of a table so that you can put the camera like lower, and you could just get the food. Because I've been ghetto, I've just been using like a big ass Tupperware and I cover it with like a sheet to elevate the food. I don't know if you guys like that or not. If you do, leave a comment down below and let me know. But that's what I plan to do. So, because I want to get in the shot, I want to see the food first, and then you see me in the background just eating it. And then I noticed that, especially with the ASMR folks, ASMR, you guys put the mic somewhere down below here, and then there's a bed tray, and then there's the food. You know what I'm saying? So they can hear all the, you know? So I want to give that a shot. What are the other donut brand shops do you guys know about? The ones that I know of are Dunkin, Yum Yum, Foster's Donuts, Winchell's, and that's it. The other ones I know about are too local. Actually, Foster's is a little local. That was from my hometown. So, pretty much that's it. That's all I know of for like chain donut shops. I gotta say, this vegetarian, or not vegetarian, but turkey sausage power sandwich from Dunkin Donuts is not bad. It's warm, but it's a little cold because, you know, I waited to go home before eating it. It's not bad though. I got Baby Yoda in the house. He's gonna chill right here. And Pikachu too. Can you see him, or am I too fat? Did you guys watch the end of the Mandalorian? Spoiler alert. I did, and I don't know, man. It seems like it's over. And if you watch to the end, you see that there's a Boba Fett. Now here's something I didn't know. I did not know where the Mandalorian story fit in the timeline of the original story. I thought this was way after. I thought this was like New Republic, whatever. Excuse me. I didn't know that this was actually part of the original story, because they had that CGI of Luke Skywalker, and he looked like he was dressed like Return of the Jedi, you know? So it's crazy. They didn't talk about that at all in Return of the Jedi. I don't know. It's confusing. Why not just make it way after? Now you gotta make this story about now Luke Skywalker is gonna train Grogu. It just doesn't make sense. I thought in Return of the Jedi there were no other Jedi. It was just Luke. And then Yoda was like dying, you know? Nonetheless, I think the Mandalorian story is really good. Actually, I find it better than the last 3 movies with Rey and Kylo Ren and all that crap. I don't like those 3. I mean, they're entertaining, they're okay, but I like those. I like Mandalorian better than those. Rogue One was a good one. If you guys didn't check it out, that's a good one. The Solo one, it's okay. It's just like the last 3 movies where it's like it's entertaining, but you can tell that like George Lucas didn't really have like too much to do with it, you know? I don't know. I love Star Wars. I don't really like Star Trek, but I did get into Star Trek a little bit when I was a kid. I used to watch reruns of the original Star Trek. I definitely watched The Next Generation a lot, you know? Oh, did I have something right here? Sorry. I watched Voyager, and that's it. All the other ones I didn't really watch. Now these wraps, these were $2, and then it doesn't say on my receipt, but the sandwich was like $5. Thanks for having lunch with me. What's your guys' favorite items at Dunkin Donuts? Donut holes? It looked like they had a crap ton of donut holes. Glazed, chocolate, and powdered. Oh, I'm sorry. I totally forgot about Krispy Kreme. I love Krispy Kreme original glaze only. Sometimes I'll do some of the other stuff, but mainly I go to Krispy Kreme for their glazed donut. Can't believe I forgot about Krispy Kreme. Sorry. Yeah, so Dunkin' Donut, Yum Yum Donuts, which I didn't feel like they had anything that stood out. Winchell's, Krispy Kreme. To be honest, I don't even know if Winchell's is still around, because I used to have that when I was a kid in LA. But I haven't been there in a long time, so every time when people go to LA now, they just do Portos. I don't know. Have the donuts. Okay. Blueberry donut. I was actually expecting it to be a lot harder. This is really fluffy. Excuse me. That's really good. And then I guess what Dunkin is known for, the Boston cream. You see the cream injected? Any place you get food at, you gotta know what they're known for. And you gotta get it. Like their original stuff. That's how you find out what they're all about. Oh my god. There's so much cream in the middle. I'm done. I'll finish the rest of it later. Anyways, you guys, thanks for having lunch with me. Got my coffee here. Cheers. If that didn't wake you up, I don't know what will. Alright, you guys, thanks very much for watching. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace. Peace, yo.